gold respected the resistance zone so far at 34.40 and 50, and then has dropped all the way now towards 34.10 levels. While likewise, silver is also traded bearish for the day, hitting the lows at $36 levels and yet got the support at 36. What to expect today from gold and silver? The rising tensions. Can gold rally again? Or the highs are done and we can look forward to a drop here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update. With the first update, I have mentioned very clearly 34, 40, 50 is a clearly resistance zone. It is going to be difficult for it to break. Can we expect it to break now? Let's see. This is the second update, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts for gold. See what has happened. I have mentioned earlier in the day as well. See, every rise offsets with a drop towards 20 period. What has happened? It has dropped all the way towards 20 period. Now, seen taking the support with the 20 period moving average. Very, very important now for gold to trade below 3408, 3410 zone, which is a very good support zone. And on the upside now, 3430 is offering it a little resistance. Now, either a move above 3430 or a drop below 3408, 3410, you should watch out for. And even if it trades below 3408, 3410 zone, it is going to be difficult for gold to break below 3380. This is the only level below which we can say now gold is turning bearish. 3380, 3390 is the zone which is going to offer a maximum support for gold prices on the downside. So yes, a selling entry can be taken at 3408, but then 3400, 3390 and 3380 are the three critical supports it need to break. Moving averages are bullish, stochastic bearish here. The MACD after a good rise have crossed over and now trading bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts, see the drop, double top here. Consolidation is going on here, red, green, red. So red, green, red means the next candle has to be greener one, because this is how it trades, red, green, red, green. But not if it trades below 3408, we can expect it to erase the gains from this candle. Means a possible move towards 3390, 3380 can be seen here. Let's see if it drops towards this. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is come out of the overbought zone here. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Notice a reversal sign, first bearish candle, a pullback here, and yet you can see it is struggling to break beyond 3430. Now see, higher lows are seen so far. So if it trades now below 3408, we can expect a pull towards 3400, 3390, or in fact 3380 levels. It has got greater support till 3380, below which we may see bearishness prevailing. Notice what's happening here. After this drop, it is taken a U-turn, and see, this is trading bullish. This is an exponential rise. Look at this. If you connect the curve here, you can see an exponential rise here. Also, the moving averages are likewise trading bullish. But remember, it is hitting the highs, it is reversing here, and a drop below 3480 you should watch out for. This is going to bring extreme bears as well. Stochastic looking down, MACD has seen good bullishness, now trying to converge here. Now see, these are the peaks from where prices reverse. RSI at the top here. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, preceding candle, a swing candle, the lows are almost aligned here. That's very, very important for gold to trade below 3408, which will confirm the next down move here. As long as 3408 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. And on the upside, 3430 levels. These levels are going to play a major role today. Now notice this. This was a breakout candle, and it is possible that sooner prices might try to erase the gains from this candle, because see, this is a breakout, a stronger breakout was seen here. So we may see prices coming towards this zone, which is at around 3380, 3390, but it may take a little more time. Stochastic dropping, the MACD extremely divergent and bullish, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, earlier in the day and yesterday also I mentioned, see, the rise retracement support from 20 period, rise retracement support from 20 period, and now it has shown the third bullish candle. Now if you look at the move here, the move is outside Bollinger Bands. Also, if you connect this, you can find out it's almost a $50 move here. And now if you see 3830, 3380 through $50, it takes it to almost 3430, and it has already seen the highs at 34. 45 level. So this zone here is definitely critical for gold. 3440, 3450. It is definitely going to remain a difficult zone to break beyond. Notice what's happening after forming this nice flag. See, this was sharply bearish. This is under retracement. And this time, in fact, if you connect the highs, these are beautifully connected here. This is how it has been trading. It has hit the highs. So a possible reversal cannot be denied. It may take time. It can take couple of sessions more, but possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic is rising. Now this is one thing. The MACD, which is stayed flat and now crossed over and trading with bullishness. This is something which is still suggestive of more bullishness ahead with the next sessions. RSI is also looking upwards. So considering this, now a buying entry in gold is above 34.26, where you can expect 34, 32, 34, 42 levels here at the next targets. Once it trades beyond 34.42, we can see again 34.40.50 is completely a good resistance zone. So beyond 34.42, expect 34.51 levels as the next target. If that is taken, I think the reversal will be difficult from there. Once it trades beyond 34.51, we can expect it to move towards 34.71, 34.86, and then 3500 levels. 35, the double top levels from the all-time highs can be seen here. Beyond 34.51, I think the reversal will be definitely difficult. On the downside, where you should sell. See, ideally 33.80 is a support. It should not break, but yes, you can sell here a bit early at 34.08 levels. Below this, expect 3400, 33.90, and 33.80. If at all, now 33.80, 33.90 on the downside should offer a maximum support. If at all gold breaches this, I think you should stay short. Stay short for a greater correction towards 33.40, 33.20 levels. Chances for which appears to be less today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the charts and arrived at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading. Join my 33rd mentorship batch. Invest in your learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description here. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And now let's have a look at silver. See, look at silver here. I have mentioned very clearly. See how much more clarity I can give on this. I have mentioned very clearly 3660 is what you should watch out for. What has happened? Silver is striking 3660. It has reversed. Now it has come down to the support zone, and see this is the box in which it is trading now. And see, it is very important for silver to breach beyond 3660, 3680 zone in order to confirm a reversal. As long as it stays in the zone, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, now 36 is offering it a maximum support. So once it trades below 36, you can expect a down move towards 35.80 or in fact 35.40 levels. Right now it is staying in the zone. Stochastic trading moderately bearish, MACD trading moderately bearish, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hour chart, look at 2 hour charts here. See consolidation going on here in this zone. Eliminate these spikes, else the price is very much positioned within the zone. So if you see it is staying below 36, 35, 80 zone, you can say now it is going to be a bear's day all out. We can expect a greater correction here. Else, as long as it stays within or it respects 35, 80, $36 zone, do not trade this as bearish. So now we have got couple of zones here, 35, 80, 36 on the downside, 36, 60, 36, 80 on the upside. These zones are very critical for silver to break beyond in order to confirm a direction. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD almost flat here, and at bottom RSI is bearish as well. On the 3 hour charts, and you see similar is the observation. See the rise here, and it has shown a pullback. Now important thing to note here is the double bottom it has created, and see red, green, red, and now it has started on a bearish note. It can still bounce back, but I think it is getting difficult. Possibility exists that it may again move towards $36 zone. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD trading moderately bearish, the RSI is flat. On the 4 hour chart, notice on the 4 hour charts what's happening. First preceding candle is a swing candle, and preceding is a bigger bearish candle. So ideally the current candle has to be a bigger bearish candle where it can move towards the 50 period moving average. The 50 period moving average right now sitting at around 35.80 level. So now if you see it is staying below 36, you can take a sell here and expect it to move towards 35.80 and in fact 35.60 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading divergent and bearish, the RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, notice till yesterday it was diminishing bearishness. Today it has started of the day with the highs here. Now it is taking the direction, so it is very very important for price to trade below 36, 35, 80, which will confirm a bigger bearish move here, which can take the prices towards 35.50 and in fact $35 zone. Yes, once it trades below 35.50, 35.40, we can wait for the next target at 35. Remember, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average, which calls for it to converge strongly. Now see, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, but notice if you connect the highs and the lows, it is trying to, if you draw a parallel from the highs, you can say this is the channel in which it is trading. Thus, it is pretty important for silver to trade below 35.80, 35.40 levels here. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD was extremely bullish, the RSI coming out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, see, first a buying entry now I'll recommend is at 36.40, but be careful of 36.60 and 36.80. Two resistances on the upside. If at all silver trades beyond 36.80, it's a reversal. It's going to deliver a massive rally which can take it towards 37.20, 37.80 levels next. While on the downside, I'll recommend a selling entry at 35.95 levels, expected to move towards 35.75, 35.50, 35.40 zone as the next targets. Once it trades below 35.40, stay short for a greater correction all the way towards 35. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Thank you.